Can a country of 1.4 billion people just decide one day, we're gonna buy less oil? And to hell with world markets. Apparently, they can. China decided years ago it wanted to control its energy future, rely less on countries like the US for oil, so it began to electrify its economy. To move away from gas-guzzling cars, one think tank figures the Chinese government has pumped well over $200 billion into electric vehicles in the last 15 or so years. Subsidies, tax exemptions, which basically caused the Chinese EV industry to start sprouting like weeds. Nearly 500 companies at peak hype, when executives who'd never run car companies before decided, let's try. Many of them failed. But one, BYD, has now even surpassed Tesla in sales, raking in over $100 billion in revenue last year. China now has more than 14 million charging points countrywide, about 60 times what the US has. But there's more. The 1-2 punch of getting itself off foreign oil was for China to double down on drilling of its own. Imagine wells nearly as deep as Mount Everest is tall. China's answer to ExxonMobil, they're called PetroChina, they spent billions of dollars more than Exxon did last year on major projects. And the International Energy Agency announced just this past June that Chinese demand for outside oil is dropping and its consumption is going down too. China loathes the idea of being beholden to Donald Trump's every whim, every threat, and relying less on foreign oil is one way to gain the upper hand.